Guys, Ama 2000, both the husband and the wife, they are currently busy promoting themselves on social media. When you thought they will be embarrassed after the current situation, between Limpopo Boy and this married woman, Matsidi. So Matsidi, yesterday she came out on social media to say she has lost her previous page that was sitting on 300 followers. Right now, she wants people to follow her on her new page. She's been posting her husband. On the other side, the husband is also busy posting, saying they need to go and subscribe on their YouTube channel so they can hear his side of the story. Guys, after what happened, I thought both of them, they're gonna take break from social media like Limpopo Boy. Guys, currently Siam Kalela Limpopo Boy, guys, is taking a break from social media while Brandies are busy canceling him. So maybe, guys, these people, they don't care what happened. Maybe it's the way of dealing with the situation, because guys, I guess if it was me, I don't think I was gonna come back from social media. Firstly, Umatsidi, so she has nothing to lose besides losing her husband. She was not an influencer, she was not a content creator, she was nothing beside her husband taking videos of her dancing and getting views on social media. Maybe they are trying to focus on Facebook, because nowadays people do get money on Facebook. Maybe both of them, they decided to say it's already a mess, so let's use this opportunity to make more money. Because nowadays, guys, people can trend with anything. You can be influencer, you can just wake up today and tomorrow you are influencer in South Africa. Anything, it is possible in South Africa, guys. So I don't know what's going to happen between the two. Maybe they're gonna get divorced, maybe they're gonna forgive each other. It is a lot. So anyway, guys, it is what it is.